Want more ancient Egypt? Simple machines might have avoided the long-theorized need for dubious sources of labor. Scientists disagree about the design of ramps used to lift blocks. Workers constructed oiled tracks on fixed routes. Workers constructed oiled tracks on fixed routes. Water was used to wet the sand for easier hauling. Rudimentary sledges helped drag material across the Egyptian desert. Workers used ropes and ramps to lift stones out of the quarry. The Egyptians used an ingenious technique to cut granite into blocks. The ancient Egyptians intentionally avoided documenting their methods.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.